Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am participating in an open invitation called Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge. This challenge is hosted by the lovely Denise from over at This and That with Denise. She has a great channel. She does home, health, and beauty and many more. I'm going to leave a link below to her channel, also the playlist of all the participants that are participating in this challenge. Make sure you go over to her channel and check out the video, her video, and also the other participants. And so on that note, I'm going to start and letting you know what I have created with this challenge. So these are the items that I'm going to be using in this kitchen vignette. I have this tray that I purchased from Ross that I'm going to use. It's a Lazy Susie. It's not big. It's about 12 inches round. And then I'm going to use this harvest plate that I purchased from Kroger last year. I have a set of these that I want to use in a tablescape. And I have this pumpkin that I had last year that I used on I believe a foyer. And I have some salt and pepper shakers from, I can't remember where I got these from, but these are last year too, these salt and pepper shakers. And I got this Fall Blessing. I can't remember where I got this from, either the dollar store or Hobby Lobby, but I used this last year. So I have this. I'm going to use that. And I'm going to use this mason jar that I DIY'd. I'm going to use this with some eucalyptus flowers in it. And so now we're going to decorate the tray. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the plate right here, right in the center. And then I'm going to put this pumpkin here. Instead of sitting out, I'm going to try to tilt it a little bit and tilt that. And I love the flower, and I love the color of the flowers. It goes so perfectly with the flowers, the leaves, the color of the leaves and the color of the flowers, and it goes perfect with these too. So I thought that was really pretty, and I like the beige because the beige bring out the color of the leaves. So I'm going to use that. And then I'm going to sit this here. And that's going to be the flower. And what I did was, it was just a mason jar that I have on hand. And I took some thankful ribbon that I had purchased from Michael's a while back. And I just tied some jute around it. And put the eucalyptus flowers in it. And I just love these flowers. I had said I was going to go back and get some more. I had hauled them a couple of weeks ago. And when I went back to get some other things, I forgot about these flowers. But I just love the color of them. They are so rich in the fall colors, the bronze color, the orange. And I really do like those. So I thought those was really pretty. And in front of the ball, I'm going to put my little fall blessings on it. And put that in the front. That's my saying. Move it around a little bit. Can't really see the thankful, but as you go around, you'll be able to see it. And then I'm going to put these salt and pepper shakers and bring out a little gold up in there. So I'm trying to, it's kind of small, not a lot. But I had these salt and pepper shakers in the fall box, and this is my tray. There you go, the pumpkin with the beautiful color flowers, and we got the saucer with the harvest plate, and the eucalyptus in the mason jar, and the fall blessings. And see if you can really see that. And that is it. It is nice, and turn it around. I really love this tray. It's big enough that I could use for as a centerpiece. So I'm going to use this right here on this kitchen table as a centerpiece for the fall. And I think it came out really nice. I really like it. And I love the colors, and it is so fall. So first, I want to thank Denise from This and That for this open invitation. Thank you, Denise. And this ends this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button that you be notified of all the videos as they come out. I appreciate you all for watching. Thanks again. Love you all. Be blessed, everyone. To be a blessing. Bye-bye. See you on your next video.